That's all right. Welcome to the winter weather briefing for Monday morning. Here's an overview. We have a winter storm watch out for the entire area for Tuesday and Tuesday night. All forms of winter precipitation will be possible Tuesday and Tuesday night. It should begin as a wintry mix and then transition over to snow late Wednesday night. Snow amounts of up to 1 inch and sleet and freezing rain accumulations of a 1/4 inch to 1/3 of an inch are possible across the entire area, with the greater snow impacts expected in the northern portions of our area and the greater ice impacts expected south of Lake Pontchartrain, including Metro New Orleans. Here's a quick look at the overall pattern. You can see that there's a cold front that's expected to be offshore in the Gulf of Mexico and an area of low pressure passing through the Gulf of Mexico. This low pressure system will bring moisture into the area, and that will interact with the colder air to bring us a wintry event. Now this shows the probability of snow greater than or equal to 1 inch over a 24-hour period from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. As you can see, there's a 70 to 80% chance of more than 1 inch of snow falling across southwest Mississippi and northern portions of the Baton Rouge area. Further to the south along the I-12 corridor, we're expecting a 40 to 70% chance of seeing snow greater than 1 inch. And south of this corridor, across Metro New Orleans and the immediate Mississippi Gulf Coast, we're only expecting a 20 to 40% chance of seeing snow greater than 1 inch. Now here's the probability of snow greater than or equal to 4 inches occurring from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. As you can see, the highest probabilities are, again, to the north, where there's a 20 to 40% chance of seeing snow in excess of 4 inches across southwest Mississippi and the northern portions of the Baton Rouge metro area, as well as the northern reaches of the North Shore. Now here is the total possible snow accumulations that we expect from Tuesday through Wednesday morning. In general, we're expecting 1 to 2 inches across the area, basically north of the I-12 corridor, including Metro Baton Rouge, Hammond, and areas across southwest Mississippi. However, there is an area across southwest Mississippi that could possibly see up to 4 inches of snowfall if we do have some heavier snow bands develop. Now here's the probability of ice greater than or equal to 0.10 inches, or a 1/10 of an inch, from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. As you can see, the highest probabilities of seeing freezing rain accumulate over a 1/10 of an inch are across the New Orleans metro area, the Houma Thibodaux area, the river parishes, the southern portions of the North Shore along the lake itself, like Slidell and Covington, as well as the Gulfport Biloxi areas. Now here's a look at the possible ice accumulations from Tuesday to Wednesday morning. In general, we're expecting a 1/10 to a 1/4 of an inch across the area, but we could see up to a 1/3 of an inch of ice, especially across Metro New Orleans and the Mississippi Gulf Coast. And finally, here are the potential impacts. Snow and ice accumulations will be possible Tuesday into early Wednesday morning. Heaviest ice accumulations at this time are expected to occur along and south of the I-10-12 corridor, including the Mississippi Gulf Coast and Metro New Orleans. Heaviest snow accumulations at this time are expected to occur north of the I-10-12 corridor in southwest Mississippi and the northern reaches of the North Shore parishes, as well as northern parts of the Baton Rouge metropolitan area. A hard freeze will occur on Tuesday night and again on Wednesday night, with temperatures dropping into the middle teens across the northern half of the area Tuesday night. These potential impacts are highly dependent on the strength of the upper disturbance and the amount of moisture and precipitation over any given location. Since this is a very fluid situation, all interests in the forecast area will need to monitor this situation very closely for any updates. Thank you for listening to our briefing.